Oh, what's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another fabulous video. Hope you're having a great day and a great week. Oh my god. Okay, I'm very excited for today's video because tomorrow is Christmas and I'm very excited because I don't celebrate Christmas. Wait, what? I'm sorry. I'm very excited because I'm doing an overnight challenge on my terrace over here. It is actually a small terrace on top of my big terrace, like this much. It is actually a bit safe. I feel a bit safe to sleep on the small terrace. The main motive of doing this challenge is because I'm very scared of darks and I just want to overcome that. So I'm gonna sleep on my terrace the whole night for sure. I'm going to be showing you the proofs, okay? I know you guys will believe me anyways. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. After that, I started to meet my friend. After we met, we went to Tea Tree to have some Oreo milkshake, which is actually pretty good. Look at this dude, man. Look at this dude. After that, we went to his house. He lives in the tallest building of Vizag, Oxygen Towers, and the views from the top of that is incredible. And then he dropped me at home and I went to get some snacks because I'm gonna eat a lot of snacks during the night while I watch movie. After that, I had my dinner and I grabbed some pillows, some blankets, and a torch for obvious reasons. And oh my god, I need not see ghosts anymore. And then I was ready for the challenge. Here you go. What's up, guys? My bed is all ready, as you can see. Yeah, my bed is all ready and I'm ready to do this challenge. I'm actually a bit scared but excited at the same time because this is my first time doing this kinds of challenges and it is my first time staying on the terrace, that too alone, that too overnight. Okay, it is Christmas tomorrow. If you guys don't know, I've already told you it is Christmas tomorrow and some of the houses are decorated with lights. As you can see, I just hope Santa comes and give me some gifts. Okay, and I am just about to complete Harry Potter and I'm gonna watch another movie. I'm planning to watch a horror movie. Like, I've bought a lot of snacks with me. I've bought a lot. Yeah, I've bought a banana, very healthy. I'm eating a lot of junk and telling healthy, something healthy at least. And very excited for today's video and I'm gonna update you guys each and every second. I don't know, I'm gonna be forced to watch a horror movie today. That is because you might be thinking this guy is already very scared and he's telling that he's gonna watch a horror movie. Why is this guy doing overaction? I just heard something. Oh my god, it is 11:30 and I'm already hearing stuff. I just barely started the challenge. I think the night is gonna be rough. I'm gonna watch a horror movie because my reactions are gonna be amazing because I'm gonna get very scared after watching the movie. It is gonna be funny for you guys but it is not funny for me. The only thing I want is entertainment for you guys, so I'm gonna do it. I am gonna update you each and every second on this challenge, so I just hope I make it through the night. I don't hope I'll do it, obviously, so I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. The best part about this night is I get to listen to music while watching stars, the moon, and could feel the breeze around me. It is just only me and my thoughts. It is amazing, guys. All my pillows and blankets are slightly wet right now because of all the fog all around. It is very cold and I'm halfway into the movie. It is actually very scary. I'm watching Lights Out. Every dark corner I see the ghost in the movie. So, oh my god, it is getting worse and worse. I've always been scared of darks. So I've started this challenge with great excitement but the whole atmosphere have changed. I don't know if it is because of the movie, but I don't feel right. I just completed watching the movie. It is 2:05 in the night and I'm going to sleep. I'm feeling sleepy, so the next clip you're gonna see is gonna be me in the morning. So yeah, good night for myself. Okay guys, quick little stop before you continue the video. I don't know if you guys are gonna believe this or not. I think you guys are gonna make fun of me, but this is the first time these kinds of things are happening to me. It is 3:04 while I was recording that video. I'm just watching it right now. I did not even see it before. My video just started glitching, and after that all the dogs started barking all of a sudden in my street. So it is actually kind of scary for me at that moment because I was already very frightened, and suddenly all the dogs started barking. So I was really frightened and I just tried to sleep. I don't know if I have to believe this. It could have been a coincidence. I don't know. I'm gonna put a screenshot video while I was talking with you so that you guys will at least believe me. It is not an edit. I swear to you guys. I swear. So check out the video. I swear to you guys. It is 3 o'clock in the night and I heard a loud bang. Oh my god, I never used to believe in these 3 a.m. kinds of things because I watch a lot of videos on YouTube about those 3 a.m. challenges and all of these. But I think it is probably coincidence, but I just cannot get over it. It is 3:04 while I was recording that video. Exactly, it is 3 o'clock and all the dogs started barking and my video started glitching. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I have to believe this or not. I don't know. There is nothing to believe. I think it is some coincidence. I don't know. Oh my god, I was just sleeping and I heard a loud bang, and after that the dogs started barking and I am flipping out right now. It is flipping 2:49 in the night. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Oh no. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My nose is blocked and I wish you guys could feel this with me. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this challenge. Oh no. I don't know if I'm gonna do this challenge or not. Why did I even come from my bed? Oh shit. Oh no. I'm just hearing stuff, man. I just hate it when it gets cold. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My house is also locked, so I have no other option. Oh my god. It is 3 hours more. I don't know if I should go down or I should sleep over here. Just 3 hours to complete the challenge. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do it for you guys. 3 more hours. I'll somehow do it. I don't know. I'll just try to sleep. I'll ignore all the noises. I hate it when it gets quiet. I listen to I can hear to each and every small little thing. Dogs are barking non-stop. I'll just try to sleep, guys. That's it. Yes, guys. Yes, I finally completed the challenge. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I finally did it. The the night was too rough, man. I did not get proper sleep. I'm feeling really sleepy right now. I don't know. My brain is not working, so I'm just gonna go downstairs, grab some sleep, and I'm gonna see you guys after that. After that, I went downstairs and slept for a very long time. My whole daily routine was disturbed. The night was actually very tough, and it was a crazy experience actually. So, I just hope you guys liked today's video, and until next time, it is Arya signing off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And peace!